Smile. Hello everyone. In this video we'll learn to heal our frozen shoulder. In our previous video we had seen where are the cervical points, that is at the back of your thumb from first bone to the second bone. These are cervical points and each finger center point is your cervical point. Now for frozen shoulder you need to take your cervical points also. So you can put one peppercorn chain here or look for the painful point, because the peripheral nerve of any vertebra must be affecting your shoulder. So just look for the painful point here or put a chain of peppercorn here. Now in finger system this is cervical and these two are shoulder points. In left hand this is my right shoulder and this is my left shoulder. If your left shoulder is in pain, so you'll find the painful point here. But I suggest take all three peppercorn here, which I had shown in my previous video. Take any finger out of 8 fingers, take any one finger. Along with that, look for the painful point here, this area on the mount. If you find the painful point, just massage it nicely and put one pea, dry pea on this point. And tell the patient to keep pressing it from time to time. Also in our thumb, below our thumb, this area, web, this area also will have left shoulder painful point. So massage it nicely, you will find the painful point. Either put this one dry pea here or dry pea here. And in case you have chakra magnet, which I had shown before also, this is chakra magnet. This is yellow seam outside and white inside, and here it's white outside and yellow inside. So now the way you will put it will be white outside and yellow inside seam, and put it on that painful point. On this painful point, within 10 minutes the pain should come down, and tell the person to keep it for 2 hours. And in case you don't have chakra magnet, just put the pea, one dry pea here, and tell the person to keep pressing it from time to time. Now along with that, also take ending points of few meridians. This is the ending point of LI meridian. You will find the painful points here. Put one methi seed on that painful point. This is the painful point. Put one methi seed here and tell the person to keep pressing it. Now in ring finger near the nail, this is the ending point of TW meridian. So massage it. You may find it painful also. And one seed on this painful point. And here also this is SI meridian ending point. On this also put one fenugreek seed here. Now here also there is SI4 point which is responsible for frozen shoulder. look for the painful point and put the seed here. You can put any seed, either peppercorn or fenugreek seed. And end of this near the wrist, SI6 point is here. On this SI6 point, you will find the painful point, and on this painful point, after massaging it nicely, put one green dry pea here. After that, we also have some meridians which can be taken by bar magnet. This is the bar magnet. There are 3 meridians in the index finger, one in the center, one is here, this is TW meridian, this is LI meridian, and this is SI meridians. These 3 meridians go on the yang side of our arm, which is responsible for frozen shoulder. If you have bar magnet, try this on each meridian. Keep it here in the center for 5 minutes. If the pain reduces, good. Keep it for 2 hours. If it doesn't, then shift here on LI meridian in the same manner. If pain reduces in 5-10 minutes, good. Otherwise, shift it here on SI meridian. Here on SI meridian. Whichever meridian suits, keep it for 2 hours. And if the pain increases, change the direction. That means that meridian is right for you, but only direction has to be changed. Then change it to this direction, yellow up, white down. This will give relief in your frozen shoulder also. If you don't have this magnet, because I am taking care of the people who don't know Sujok, then take any wire or leaf. So take this leaf or wire and put it on paper tape, thin strip of paper tape like this, and keep it on your these 3 meridians. Again you have to take one by one, whichever suits, take that, and the relief should be there within 5 minutes. In fact, within 1 minute at times. If the pain reduces, then same thing can be done on the second joint. Second joint. The strip should be tape strip should be very thin, and after putting this, the pain will reduce furthermore. And you can do the same thing on little finger for more relief, and you can take the other hand also, first joint, second joint, first joint, second joint, but one by one. If this gives relief, then take the second. If by putting the second one the pain increases, then change the direction. From here you can put it like this, here, change the direction. Then third one here, and in case the pain increases, you can change the direction. And fourth one on the second joint, fifth one, and wherever the pain increases, you can change the direction. From like this, you can put it like this, the wire. Then second joint, and then here and here. And this should give good relief to your frozen shoulder. So just take care of a frozen shoulder and smile, stay healthy, and get in touch with me in case you cannot cure yourself. Thank you and stay healthy.